Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to create purchase urgency within your customers, and this can be done by setting up the stock scarcity method. So basically what is there is, let's say you want that when they are actually visiting a product, they see a message on top of the product name saying that hurry up, only a few pieces are remaining, so that they are promoted, or they are basically, that pressure is created on the customer to buy it. How do we do it? Let's explore that. So basically, if I go into my company profile, and from here settings, if I go into scarcity, stock scarcity, we are going to put that stock scarcity message here. Hurry, only few pieces remaining. And we are going to put the color of the stock scarcity as red. And let's say we want that whenever the number of items dips below 5 in the inventory, that stock scarcity method should start showing up. If we do this, and let's say we view one of the products, and if we go to this product, and let's say if we were to edit this product and make the available quantity from 10 to 4. Now what this means is that this inventory has gone below 5 for this product. If I save this, and if I view this product in my store, so if I view this product in my store, you'll see that this message starts appearing, and this makes it very impressive for the customer because he knows that the inventory is very, very low right now. And the available quantity is 4, as you can see out here. So that's how you create purchase urgency for your customer using stock scarcity. Thank you.